प्यारे बच्चों, today we study another chemical properties of alkyne. So we study the addition of alkene. Here first we take alkene, carbon-carbon triple bond, react with HZ. Here is Z is hydrogen and chlorine and halogen. Simple. Here we in presence of acidic medium. In acidic medium. First, alkyne carbon-carbon triple bond are break. So this HZH mean a reagent. So it is break in different type H positive and Z negative. So this H positive are attached this alkyne due to first homolytic cleavage. So this bond are moving this type, so this hydrogen are add here H positive add here, and here is carbon positive. So first when we add H positive, so alkyne give vinyl cation plus Z negative, and this Z negative are attached another part of carbon. So this is a addition reaction. This is a simple addition reaction. Here we add H positive and Z negative. So this bond are break. So due to breaking of bond, carbon double bond carbon, this carbon loss electron to positive charge and this is negative charge. So this H positive are add here this carbon and this Z negative are this. So due to give addition product. So first we study the addition of dihydrogen. The addition of dihydrogen in alkyne in presence of catalyst nickel, palladium and platinum. So this is a simple type of hydrogenation reaction. So this hydrogen are due to this carbon-carbon triple bond break, carbon-carbon double bond, and one hydrogen are attached this carbon and one hydrogen attached this carbon. So another time we add hydrogen to this alkene, so give saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon mean alkane, formation of alkane. First we alkyne add to hydrogen to give alkene and then add hydrogen to give alkane. Simple. This is unsymmetrical alkane. So addition of unsymmetrical alkene propyne in presence of nickel, palladium and platinum. So this is give alkene. And another time if we add hydrogen, so this is give propane. So simply we break carbon-carbon triple bond and two hydrogen are add here. Another reaction are addition of halogen. So in case of alkyne, we add bromine. So one part of bromine add this carbon and one part of bromine add this carbon due to break this bond. So this is form 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 dibromopropene. फर्स्ट एडिशन में प्रोपीन बनेगा एंड अनदर टाइम वी ऐड ब्रोमीन, सो इट इज गिव 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 डाई 1, 1, 2, 2 टेट्राब्रोमो प्रोपेन, 1, 1, 2, 2 टेट्राब्रोमो प्रोपेन. दिस इज द सिंपल एडिशन रिएक्शन. Third addition reaction are study we here. Addition of हाइड्रोजन हेलाइड या हेलो एसिड या हेलोजन के जो एसिड है HCl, HBr, HF. तो सिंपल एल्काइन रिएक्ट विद HBr टू फॉर्म 1, 2, 1 bromoethene, 1 bromoethene, and another time we add HBr So it is give 1 2 1 1 dibromoethane या jam dihalide. It is jam dihalide. In unsymmetrical alkene we addition, so it is obey Marconic rule. It is obey Marconic rule. So due to Marconic rule, HBr H positive and Br negative. So positive part of reagent are attached here more number of hydrogen. So hydrogen R goes this carbon and bromine R goes this carbon. 1 2 3. 2 bromo propene, 2 bromo propene, and another time we add HBr, so it is obey also Marconic rule. So this hydrogen R goes here to more number of hydrogen present in this carbon. So CH3, so hydrogen here, and this Br is goes here. So 1 2 3, 2 2 dibromo propane, 2 2 dibromo propane. It is obey Marconic rule. Another reaction, addition of water. So due to water is break down into H positive and OH negative. So H positive are combined here and OH negative are combined here. Due to tautomerization, this electron goes here and this electron goes here. So due to this H positive are displaced. It is tautomerization, simply displacement of proton. So it is give carbonyl complex, mean ethanol, aldehyde. It is give aldehyde. So addition of H2O in presence of HgSO4 and H2SO4 की presence में at 60 degree temperature obey Marconic rule. This is symmetrical alkyne. Another example are we study unsymmetrical alkyne. So here we example to see in unsymmetrical alkene. So due to breakdown water H positive and OH negative, H positive R goes here to more number of H positive hydrogen. So this H positive R goes this hydrogen and this OH negative R goes this carbon. So due to formation of this type alkene, it is enol form. It is enol form. So due to tautomerization, this lone pair are move here and this pi electron are move here. So due to this H positive R goes here. It is form ketone. It is form ketone. Ketone formation. Another chemical property of a cyclic polymerization. When three alkyne, acetylene, acetylene या ethyne, simply हम क्या बोल सकते ethyne. When 3 mole of ethyne heated hot red iron tube at almost temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. So due to this pi electron are move here and this pi electron are move here and this pi electron are move here due to formation of benzene ring, due to formation of a benzene ring. Thank you very much.